now in current time, many of the students are going through stress or some anxiety. So how can they overcome that, sir?
So, see, I actually do a program, and this is not a plug for that program, but I'm just telling you, I do a program called Storm Raiders.
Yeah.
Storm Raiders. It teaches people. See, why are we stressed? We are stressed because of I want something in a particular way. It's going another way. Okay,
Yes.
or I think if things go this way, it will be good for me. Or I think I am controlling things, like you are a mother or a wife or whatever, and you think you are looking after your husband, you're looking after your children, you're looking after your mother. This is an illusion. If you read the horror stories out there, not just the pandemic, there are different things. Suddenly someone lost eyes. Why? One in a million disease infected some nerve, and you didn't even hear about that nerve before it is now infected, and you lost your eyesight. Right? You're on the job. One day you come to work and you find your organization itself has shut down. So
Yes.
you're talking about the stability, and so we have this illusion. So we have this illusion that we control things, we direct things, or we are in charge. Okay, the minute you realize that this is an illusion, that means you are not in control. You are only in control of certain aspects. So I cannot control the situation, but I can control my reaction to that situation, my response to that situation. That is all I am in control. So if, for example, I lose my job, I was not in charge of losing my job. That I didn't do anything to lose my job. But
Correct.
after I've lost my job, the reaction I give, the action I take, that is going to define what happens in my life. So if
Correct.
students, if parents can just realize that between the trigger, it's called a trigger, pandemic, job loss, breaking a leg, that is the trigger, and your action, what I will do. Between these two, there is a filter. It is called your attitude. Okay. And if you are able to tune your attitude, there is no question of stress. So you liked my examples and stories. So I'll give you one very quick story. One king, or let's say a very wealthy man, extremely wealthy man, and hot-tempered and demanding, and but he was always under stress. So he heard about this person who can get rid of his stress. So he ordered for that person to be brought before him. So then the people went to that person and said, "You have to come to the king." So he said, "No, I don't go to him. He has to come to me." So the king got even more this. How dare he talk to me this way, that way? And they by force they picked up that man and brought him in front of the king. The king says, "I can take your life and I can give you wealth and this." And he says, "Okay, what difference?" So he says, "You have to cure me of this problem." So he says, "Listen, I don't want your money and I'm not afraid of losing my life. But the advice I give you is that everything you see, everything you look at has to be green color." And he got up and walked away. So king was furious, but he said, "Okay, let it be. Now I have to look at everything that is green." So he started ordering everything to be turned into green, whatever was there. So the palace is painted green, the fabrics are changed to green, and each day the king sees something that is blue or white, he says, "Change it." But that is impossible because the king's teeth are white. When he looks in the mirror, it's white. Where his eyes are white. So he says, like, "This is nonsense. I'm going on changing everything to green, but still things are not green, and that's why I'm not getting cured." So he again forcibly got that man before him and told him, "Listen, man, you're obviously told me the right thing, but how is it possible that everything I look at should look green, should be green?" So he says, "It's very simple. All you have to do is change your lenses. You wear lenses with green on it, everything will look green. No, you don't have to paint them green." So same way, if we all change our attitude, that is the lens. If we change our attitude to realize that everything that is happening in your life is beautiful, जो हुआ वो
Correct.
अच्छा है, जो हो रहा है वो अच्छा है, जो होने वाला है वो भी अच्छा है. ये आपका लेंस का प्रॉब्लम है, ये आपका एटीट्यूड का प्रॉब्लम है. We think that we know better than God. We know better than spirituality. ये क्यों लाया, वो तकलीफ क्यों दिया? अरे यार, मैं अपना काम कर रहा है, तू अपना काम कर.
Correct.
Right? You're praying to
Yes.
God to get rid of some things. Are God has given them to you for a reason. He knows the reason better than you. Then
Right.
otherwise stop praying to God. No, हम लोग भगवान को बताते क्या करने का है. We don't know what to do with ourselves. We are telling God what to do.
Yes.
Imagine, is that stupid or not? तू भगवान को बता रहे क्या करने का है? यार, some then you only become God, no?
Correct.
It is so paradoxical or stupid. That is why you're getting stressed. You're saying God is not listening to me. Boss, if God listens to you, then you are God. Then he will start praying to you.
No, so correctly said. Like attitude actually plays a very
So the
important role.
attitude filter is, this is what has to be done. जो भी हुआ अच्छा हुआ, जो भी हो रहा है वो भी अच्छा हो रहा है, और जो भी होगा वो भी अच्छा. तो अभी स्ट्रेस किस बात का है?
Correct.
तो अभी स्ट्रेस कहाँ से आएगा?